Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video we're going to connect LinkedIn event registrations with our webinar platform using Zapier. So if you have an event on LinkedIn and the users use the registration form on LinkedIn, then we're going to send over that data into our webinar platform using Zapier so everything's automated and you don't have to manually enter attendees into your webinar platform. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First, you're going to need to have an event created. So we have this event created on our company page on LinkedIn. And then we're going to go into Zapier to set up the automation here. So we're going to click Create, Zaps. And then for the trigger, we're going to click that and we're going to choose LinkedIn Ads. And then for the event, we're going to click here and you're going to search for New Event Registration Form Response. So we'll click that. Then we'll click Continue. Then we'll click Choose and we'll click our LinkedIn Ads account. And then we'll click Continue. And then for the organization, we're gonna choose the company page that the event is under. So you're gonna need super admin access on the company page to set this up, or else it won't show here. So I can see the page here, so I'll select it. And then we're gonna find our event that is already set up on our company page. So we have this event, how to run LinkedIn ads for B2B SaaS. So I'll select that, and then I'll click Continue. And since we don't have any form responses that have been sent yet, it's not going to show anything, but we'll go back in here and test that again. So for right now, we're going to click Skip Test, and then we're going to go into the action. So once a new user fills out the event registration form, we want it to create a new registration in our webinar platform. In this case, we're using Demio. And then for the event, we're going to click Create, search for Create Registration for Webinar, and then we'll click Continue. And then for Demio, we're going to go in and grab our API key and API secret. This is in the Demio account in the settings section. You can find those details and then we'll add it here. And this will just connect our Demio account with Zapier. So I'm in Demio and I went to the settings section and then I went to API and I can see the API key and API secret. So I'll copy those and put them into the Zapier connection. So now I've connected the account and then I'll click Continue. And then for the action, we'll click Event here, and we're going to find our event that we want to add. So how to run LinkedIn ads. This is the event. We've already set it up in our webinar platform. So we'll click that. So now we're going to map over our LinkedIn registration form fields into our Demio webinar registration. So for name, I'm going to select first name Zap. And then for email, I'm going to select email. And then for GDPR, this is if the user accepts consent to get other communications from you. It's a checkbox on the LinkedIn registration form. So we'll go here and we can type in consent and user accepted consent. That will give a true or false value and that will get mapped into our registration details in Demio. And then for last name, we'll select last name. So now we have all our fields. These are the fields that are going to be sent from LinkedIn into Demio. So we'll click Continue and then we'll click Test Step. So that's set up. So next thing we're going to do is test it to make sure that this automation is working. So we'll click Publish and then I'll go back into Demio and we can see for this event that's connected with LinkedIn, we actually have the Zapier test lead that came through. So that's one way to verify it is just using that Zapier test lead. And then I also just submitted a test lead from a different LinkedIn account I have. And you can see that the details came in. It has my first name and email. It also has my last name here. And then it says false for GDPR since I didn't select that option on the form. So that's how you connect a LinkedIn event registration form with a webinar platform. In this case, we did it with Demio. You can do it with other platforms using Zapier. So let me know if you have any questions on that. And thanks for watching and have a great day.